Look at this. What a mess. Hi guys. I'm back. Yeah. I think I was back just in yesterday's video, but okay, so what? Anyway, yeah, I had a very emotional couple of days, but hopefully I'm feeling better. Thank you for some of you that have contacted me directly and check on me. But today, what are we doing today? Nothing? Looks like it. Yeah, I just finished doing the dishes and I feel like I'm doing the dishes every day. Like that's the only thing I do. Right? Anyway, so we are super excited. We are actually going to Hawaii this Thursday and join with all the kids. So very excited about that. Looking forward. If you've been to Hawaii or if you're from Hawaii, let me know what you think we should do while we're there. We're only gonna be there for a couple of days, not that long, but we're going for a wedding. So we don't have a lot of time, but we haven't really planned anything or what to do there besides the wedding. So if you have any suggestions, you can leave it on the comments below. And yeah, we're very excited. It's the first time that we're traveling without kids in like 6 years, I think. I think last time, no, well, 5 years. Last time we traveled without kids was in 2011. So exciting.
Aren't you having so much fun? So much fun. I wish I could be little again. But still at the same time being big. I want to be 3 years old, but still know everything I know. And be in third grade. Emmy, can you put me inside? Mommy said to wait, to hold on, okay? Because we don't know if it's good to put both of you in.
Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. Hmm?
So maybe one at a time?
I don't think so. She thinks that she's little. Look at that.
I'm putting all my weight on this already. It's not breaking.
You're gonna break it.
You see? I put all my weight in there. I wasn't even standing on the other one. I was just like leaning in. So I can fit it. I can do it. I can do it.
She's so exciting.
Yay! I have to take off my shoes first.
So I came to the store to look up for some map, and look what I found. Tornado map. MOP. And it's like $16.29. I don't know if you can see the price here. $16.29. I'm like, that's crazy. I mean, you might be able to clean a tornado with that, but seriously, I think I'm gonna go to another store and see what else they have. Something maybe cheaper. So I came across the street to my 99-cent store. These are $3.99. They might not be for a tornado, but they're still good. This one, $2.99. It looks like the same one as the other one, but they have different prices for some reason. This one looks a little better. It's a $4.99, a lot cheaper. I think I'm gonna get the $4.99 one. It looks cheaper, and it looks like it's still gonna do a good job. We had a little incident here in the bathroom. Take a look at this. It got clogged, and all the water came out.
Yeah, when that's spilled. I'm
Yeah.
just cleaning it for the reason.
Gonna help me, Allie?
Yeah, I'm just cleaning this. I just this because toilet paper. I got a lot of toilet paper in there.
Were you who clogged the? Oops. Were you who clogged the toilet?
And then I flush it, and then it's not going down.
Okay, guys. Yeah. So she was the one who did it. She really wants to help, huh?
I really like helping Mommy. I like helping with Mommy with the dishes and helping this with Mommy. Because this is a mop. And has green mop. But it's not over here.
This one want to help too. Lucas, come up here. Are you the one? Huh? I think you were the one. That's why you want to help too? Because you want to Clean up the evidence. How's your banana? That's the second banana of the day.
Banana.
Yeah, it's good. Good. Banana.
Banana.
Sit. Good. Nice. Just a little
Her
wet.
ears are still a little wet.
Oh, her face is
Yeah.
Sit.
She's so ready. But can I put her collar back on? Look, is it going to be a star? Is it going to be a superstar?
To buy food.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi,
Where's Come on, Lucas. Why don't you show Daddy what you were doing before?
Hi.
Hi.
Record Sam. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, guys.
Are you vlogging?
This is the end of our day. We had
It was
some.
really fun.
We had some family over
Yeah.
earlier, and we got to play some video games.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you want to put a comment, you can put it below, and give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, she's becoming an expert now. They can follow us on Instagram, right? We have an Instagram. Well, I have an Instagram.
And we take everything.
You have an
sounds.
Yeah, you can follow on Instagram. I'm gonna put the name here. So Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Okay.
Look at that baby. Look
There's
at that
link
baby.
below for those things.
Look at
Okay.
the baby on that
Thank
side.
you. Thank you for watching. We love you.
Yes, we love you. And look at this on the Please subscribe.
Oh, please subscribe. Yes.
Yes, give us a thumbs up. Please, yes, please. Tiny, tiny, tiny thing. Daddy wants to say, come, Melissa and Sam. Yeah.